Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Tanner. I'm back with a brand new video. Today we are gonna be doing a little RC car thing. If I can find my RC car. Oh, here it is. A Lamborghini. It's a little messed up, but it's pretty cool. Okay. What do you guys want to do, John? You guys gotta comment down below if I should do a drone video. Oh, by the way, guys, Easter's coming up, so I may do like an Easter video, like do the Easter hunt, and everything. So I'm gonna get the controller. And guys, tell me what your favorite sport is. Tell me, comment down below. Okay. So I'm gonna grab my RC car. We're gonna go outside of this thing. Okay. I think I'm gonna make like a jump or something. Oh, it's really nice outside. So guys, I'm just gonna get my tools on. I was just having a water fight with my sister, my brother and sister, and I got in, so my hair is still a little wet. All right, now let's get the RC car outside, okay? So I'm gonna leave the controller here for 1 second. And I'm gonna get the RC car. Oh dang. Alright guys. So I also think I could do like a hydro dip video. Like I got some cans that I can hydro dip the top of this right now. And I feel like I can make a jump or something. Or like do something epic. Like I thought I could like put the RC car like wheel right in here, like this, and then just like zoom it down. Like that'd be pretty cool, right? Okay, yeah, let's go grab the controller and let's get this started. Okay, guys. It is a beautiful day. Be doing stuff outside. Okay, there's the RC car. I think I'm gonna like do something like really like sick. Like I'm gonna try something up here first. Okay. Okay guys. So let's do this. Now let's turn this on. Alright, let's even see if it works, because sometimes this thing doesn't work. Okay, it works. Alright guys. So I think I'm gonna just like zoom right off. I gotta get you guys to see this. Okay. I think that, oh dang. This thing's got a hold. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna go put you somewhere, or maybe, wait, I got a good idea. Okay, so there we go. You guys, can you guys see good? Okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put you guys like right here. Oh, guys. Okay, guys. So I think I'm gonna like hold you. Okay. So watch this. Oh dang. Oh. You kidding? dang. Okay, guys. So I think I'm gonna like do a couple of things on this video, like a couple of different things. I'm gonna do this first. It's really hot outside today, guys. So I think I think this thing doesn't really work. So like, let's try it. Oh wait, guys, I forgot I was gonna try to zoom it off on the slides. Like there, I have a tube slide on this treehouse over there. You guys probably can't see it, but I think we're gonna use the tube slide for we're gonna like zoom the car down. The tube slide. I wonder if it's gonna be like something. Like it's gonna be epic. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put you guys like. Right here. Can you guys see the car? I'm not sure if you can see the car. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna like go put this upstairs. Let's go put this up here. And then I think I'm gonna zoom it down the tube. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom it down the tube side. Sorry, guys. So I think I'm gonna do it like this. Okay. All right. So let's just. Okay. All right. Now let's do this. Okay. So we're gonna go over here in the shade. Okay, guys, now watch this. Oh, dang, is it not working? Oh! You guys gotta see this, it's sick. Let's try to go up. Okay, now let's try it down like this side, so it like curves and maybe it falls off. Like that'd be pretty cool. Like, right, guys? Wouldn't that be cool? Okay. I'm gonna put it right there. Oh! I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was like. Yo, I gotta do this again. You guys gotta see it. Like, it's. Wow. It's like just wow. Okay, guys. So let's go down. Alright, guys. So. Alright, guys. So I think I'm gonna put it down. You guys gotta see this. Okay? So I'm gonna hold you guys right there. Whoa! Did you guys get that? That was sick, right? Okay, guys. Now I think I'm gonna go inside and I think I'm gonna put a whatnot there. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's go play some Fortnite. Okay, guys. So I think I'm gonna like I'm probably gonna get the battle pass. I'm gonna ask my mom, and then like if she says yes to buy some V-Bucks and I buy 1,000 V-Bucks, I can get the battle pass, and then we can get tons of skins. Okay, guys. So let's go. I'm gonna need just to wait for a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go ask my mom. Mama,
What?
could I get V-Bucks?
No.
Okay.
Are you taking a video right now? Why? Do you think people want to watch this?
No.